Okay, as you talk to me, you were also reminding me of a lot of people, especially the elderly, who twist one way.
Yeah.
And this, I've seen this kind of a gait in elderly people marching to the AIIMS hospital, and a lot of these old men who kind of turn this way. Is that also a condition?
Yeah, that is called a degenerative scoliosis. Scolio means spine, and scoliosis means disease of the spine. So what happens is that with the age you keep on neglecting your spine. One of the nerve is affected, you neglected it, then the muscle affecting that nerve got affected. So you are further twisting on one side. What happens? One part of the body become compromised. To compensate, the other part of body has to work more. So in that process, the degeneration of other part of the spine start getting affected. So your shape of the structure of the body continuously changes. And since this is the only pillar which is supporting your body, it keeps on bending. So what happens over a period of time, the back keeps on getting bending, the strength in the legs keeps on decreasing, and the urinary issues keeps on propping up. Because you are either unable to hold the urine or are unable to pass the urine. And the worst case scenario is that as the urine is formed, it leaks out. So these three things keep on happening, and progressively what I find in our country is that the patient doesn't get operated till they come onto a wheelchair or onto the bed.
And this would lead to a...
Ultimately this would lead to. There is increase by 25% in the death rate because of the osteoporotic degenerative spine. That is a WHO study, it comes to that. So better we take care, lesser will be the morbidity, lesser will be the death rate or other complications.
And there's a condition called hunchback also, which you mentioned.
Yeah, hunchback generally occurs in kids, which is called again kyphoscoliosis or adolescent idiopathic scoliosis, or Hindi it is called kobra, kubja ya kobra. Where you can see hunchback or
you have a character in the Ramayana also goes
yes,
by that.
Yes. So people still go by कि पाँव से ठोक लगवाने से ठीक हो जाएगा. पाँव से ठोकर लगाने से ठीक हो जाएगा, because the character in the Ramayana got corrected by the
photo of Rama.
Yeah, but nowadays we have mechanisms to actually correct those deformities and giving the patient a good quality of life.
Just if I may intervene, this hunchback is usually a lump on the spine.
Yeah.
Is that how it manifests?
Yeah, it manifests either a sort of a knuckle, which keeps on getting
camel's hump.
Camel's hump. It keeps on getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So and at the same time, you will see these patients. They will initially will be straight, but progressively they will be twisting onto one side and rotating like that. Because the spine at the same time in kids is knuckling like that. It is rotating like that. So what happens? The whole rib cage rotates along with the spine, and that decreases the lung capacity as well. So you have to have it corrected so that the patient is able to walk normally, or more importantly, have proper lung function and proper working arms and legs.
Is this caused due to polio also?
It happens due to polio also, but as the polio is getting controlled in our country, it's more of a idiopathic kinds. And unfortunately, it is more common in the patient with lower socio-economic strata. So could be there a link to a nutritional status of the mother also, which is leading to this. And nowadays there is a blood test called Scoli score, which can detect a gene which predicts whether the patient is going to have a scoliosis or not. So examination of scoliosis is mandatory in whole of the Western world. Like a general examination in a school happens
for the mother or for the child?
For the kid. Once you start going to kindergarten, you get an annual checkup in the schools. So they examine for scoliosis also. In our country, it's not there, but I'll strongly recommend it. A small 5 minutes examination with a scale is there, can be done by the nurses only when they are examining the kids in the school.